In the previous section, we saw that various components in an organization work together to deliver value to the organization in line with the strategic planning of the organization. Now, one of the important components to achieve this business value is a project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Now, there are two keywords you need to take note in the definition. One is temporary, the other is unique. Now, what do we mean by temporary? Temporary means a project has a definite start date and a definite end date. So there is always a time constraint within which you need to deliver the project. The project exists in an organization only temporarily. Once the project objectives are achieved, the project ceases in existence. The second keyword in the definition is unique. What do we mean by unique? Unique means every project delivers something unique. The project you did last month and the project you are doing this month, they may look very similar. There could be a lot of similarities, but each project has something unique to offer. And then the third term I want to highlight here is called progressive elaboration. Now, what is progressive elaboration? Progressive elaboration is nothing but increasing the detail in a project management plan as more and more information is obtained in the project. So initially, when we start the project, you may have very limited information and your planning may be based on that limited information. But as you get more information, you try to expand the level of detail in the project management plan. This iterative process of increasing the detail in a project management plan is what is known as progressive elaboration. Now let us look at some of the examples of projects. Development of an application is a project. Construction of a house, construction of an airport, construction of a metro rail project, construction of a power plant, they all come under projects. Design of an aircraft, design of a car, they are all projects. Election campaigns, they are also projects. A movie can also be considered as a project. And then even a holiday trip you are trying to plan, right? You want to go on a summer holiday, that could also be considered as a project.